taking the barometer readings or the barometric pressure readings is done by pressing the lower left button until the digital screen displays barrel, and there it is. Now that's the 962, that's the hectopascals, and this is the graph. So after barometric pressure reading operation is started, the watch will take readings every 5 seconds for the first 3 minutes, and then every 2 minutes after that. To restart the operation from the beginning, you would have to press the lower right button, and there it is. If you do nothing or do not perform any operation for about 1 hour, the watch will return to the timekeeping. Barometric pressure displayed in the units of 1 hectopascals or the standard American units EIHG displayed barometric pressure values from the range of 260 hectopascals to 101,000 hectopascals. Their barometric pressure values will reappear as soon as the measured barometric pressure is within the allowable range. Now these units also can be changed. Right now it's set to hectopascals. Now this is the barometric pressure graph, and the barometric pressure indicates changes in the atmosphere. By monitoring these changes, you can predict the weather with a reasonable accuracy. This watch takes barometric pressure readings automatically every 2 hours. So readings are used to produce barometric pressure graph and barometric pressure differential pointer readings. Barometric pressure differential pointer. Now this pointer indicates the relative difference between the most recent barometric pressure reading indicated on the barometric pressure graph and the current barometric pressure value displayed in the barometer mode. Now to show and hide this barometric pressure differential, you would first have to be in barometer mode, which we are currently in, and whilst in that mode, press the upper left button and watch the second hand. Now the second hand is indicating the barometric pressure differential. Reading this scale or differential pointer, which is the second hand, indicates the pressure differential is indicating the range of plus or minus 10 hectopascal, and a nearby screenshot, for example, I'm gonna move this watch over the side so you can see the screenshot shows the second hand would indicate the calculated pressure differential in approximately minus 5 hectopascals. Now the second hand will move over or under in the barometric pressure if the barometric pressure is differential outside the allowable range of the scale. Now the second hand will move to 9 o'clock if a sensor reading could not be taken for some reason, and the barometric pressure is calculated and displayed using hectopascals as the standard. Now you can change those units and I will show that in the later segment of the video.